In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a carousel in Framer. We'll walk through this from a blank page to a fully working carousel that you can customize for your own design. I'll explain what you should be seeing on screen as we go, so you can follow along easily inside your own Framer project. First, open the Framer project where you want to add the carousel. This can be an existing website you're working on or a brand new project. Make sure you're on the correct page or canvas where the carousel should appear, for example, a homepage hero section or a gallery section further down the page. It helps to zoom in a bit on the area where you plan to place the carousel so you can line things up neatly. Next, look toward the top left corner of the Framer interface for the Insert button. This is your main way to add new elements to your page. Click on Insert and you'll see a panel open up with different categories of components and elements you can drop into your layout. Inside this Insert panel, find the category labeled Interactive. This is where Framer keeps its interactive components, including carousels, sliders, and other elements that respond to user interaction. Click on Interactive to reveal the available options. Among these options, you'll see a component called Carousel. This is the one we want. Click and drag the carousel component from the panel directly onto your page. As you drag, you can move it into the exact spot where you want it to live in your layout. Drop it there, and Framer will place a default carousel with some placeholder content. At this stage, don't worry if the size or content doesn't look right yet. We're about to customize it. Now, double-click on the carousel you just placed. Double-clicking opens up its settings and properties in the right-hand panel. Here, you can adjust things like the number of slides, the spacing between them, the autoplay behavior, and how users navigate between slides. This is also where you'll swap out the placeholder content for your own images, text, or components. Take a moment to match the styling to your site. Adjust the width and height, tweak padding, and edit fonts or colors so the carousel feels integrated with the rest of your design. When you're happy with the settings, preview your site to test the carousel. Click through the slides, check how it behaves on different screen sizes, and make any last adjustments. And that's all you need to add and customize a carousel in Framer.